So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. Now scroll and try to search for Google Play Store. Just tap on it to open it. Then after that, you have to search for Gangster Vegas. So when you search for Gangster Vegas, you are going to see it's like this. Then you just tap on it. Then when you tap on it, what you have to do when you get over here is to just tap on the update that appears. So when you tap on the update, you are going to get the latest update of it. So after updating it, what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu. Then you tap on your phone settings. Then after that, tap on the SIM card and mobile network. Then you select the network type. After that, tap on preferred network type. Then you select 2G slash 3G slash 4G auto. So after selecting this, what you have to do next to go to your phone settings again. Then after that, tap on app management. When you tap on app management, tap on app settings. Now what you have to do when you get here is to search for Gangster Vegas app. So when you find Gangster Vegas app, tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, tap on the first stop, tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and restriction and make sure this background data is turned on. You go back and tap on notifications and make sure the allowed notification turn on. So make sure every notification is also turned on over here. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So you just tap on your power button for some while and this is going to pop up. Then you just wipe it down to restart your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.